morning, Raj. Can you hear me?
Yes, buddy, I can hear you. How's it going for you?
Spinning in.
Hour 20.
AMIX is coming up. AMIX. Wow, that is AMIX, guys. Get your locates, get your locates, get your locates. It's really good short. It's coming up. Perfect, 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 perfect. AMIX. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. 37%. Come on. First entry. Right away, guys. First entry. And 10%. Oops. First entry, and guys, first cover right away on 10% on 6,000 shares. Right there. It's down 14%, guys. Another 800 shares. Oops. Cover at 272, 16, 17%. That is 17% in no time, guys. That is a beautiful, beautiful play right there. Look at that, guys. 17%. Whoa, another 500% right here. Take that. 260, 24% gain. This is how it happens, guys. Look at, check this out. Check this out, guys. It's beautiful. AMIX was absolutely beautiful. Got in at 337, sold it at 311, sold it at 260. Wow. 25% in less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds, guys. And
did anybody else get it? I didn't. It was too fast.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
why
too
when it
fast
was
for me.
moving up, I was telling you guys to get it and chase it. You could have chased this
I
thing.
yeah.
That's how fast it happens. Let's see. Let's see if anybody else got it. I chased it, right? 290. Sony chased it. Look at that. 240. 240. Pete, you could have still chased it, and you can still chase it. It's going in red. You can still get your locate fee back, buddy. Still have 400 shares. Wow. I'm going to take another 200 shares out. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Arrow 20.
I'm going to take it at 235. Let's see if it does 235. That's a humongous 30% in no time. No time, guys. PPBT. Let's take a look. PPBT. 39, 32% dailies are looking bad. Awful. 345 is good. Oh boy. 345 is good. Nope. $4 is good. But, ooh, 340 was the first number. Oh wow. This is done as well. 35, no, this is not done. My bad, this is not done. This is not done. Reclaim should happen. Reclaim should happen here. But 340 is a minor number. On
What's the ticker?
PPBT. Wesley just typed it in. We have
Thank
traded
you,
this just 2 days ago. We traded PPBT. I made tons of money. I think it's done. Now it's done. It's done. You guys want to chase it? Make about 7%. It's here. PPBT is done. You can chase it. You can make some money. Wow. There's 235, guys. 230, 224. Wow. Look at 33%, guys. Wow. That is amazing. This HammerX came up, gave us 30%, and even PPBT, if you're chasing, you're in great shape. If you're chasing, it's in a great shape. I told you, even at 310, you would have gotten at 280, 10%. Wow, 30% gain on HammerX. I chased it from lower, guys. PPBT has done it a couple of times in recent time. So this was a good one. Obviously, I wasn't around at 7 o'clock. And 740 is a number, 37% up. Wasn't too bad. Again, look at the dailies. It was weak. So here's what it is. I'm looking at daily. This is 340 right here. Look at this. This is 340 from 17th of Feb. And last couple of times it was just 308. So that was good actually. But I thought that the best number should be right here, but which is way too far, guys. Way too far. That's the best number. Look at 1 hour very quickly. Even 1 hour, I would have figured that they would do 360. Just wouldn't. So anyway, let's look for another play. But great play. Great money in the morning. It's all good. Now we can take that out of our place. I did a couple of earnings yesterday. That was snappy.
What happened? PPBT?
Yeah, you can take it. I mean, it's only 1 million volume. You can take it at 340 area. 367 is a little slightly better area. It's an entry, not at 310 though, 22%. OMEX is still holding. If it comes down, we'll buy it more. But that was a pretty good. ABAT, what is happening with that one? 3% up ABAT. So at least one solid win. That makes your morning a happy morning. Let's see what's next. IVF is a short, but I would like at least 245, 260, guys. IVF is a short, 37%, 12 million volume. It is a short. And remember, every time we say something about a day fader, this is one of them. So yesterday was WLDS. Just faded and faded. Day before, you can pick every day. We pick one stock that will fade and fade and fade. IVF is one of them. 245, 250 would be an ideal entry. 37% up. Starbucks is
That's
down.
a brand new stock, right? Like a couple days ago.
Yep, I see that. I see that. They don't even have much news. They don't have much news. So what's the news? RGLS was bought for $7. It's holding at $7.86. It should drop for like $7.30, $7.40. I'm holding FSLR from yesterday, guys. FSLR, I shorted it. It's 5% in money. I have about, that's pretty good, guys. I have about 500 shares. I was going to take it under 120. I've not taken it yet. I feel like I'm going to get 114. Good morning, Diego. So I'm holding FSLR. I explained it if you guys watched the recap yesterday. Explained FSLR did not have a good earning at all. Holding, I'll get paid on that. JFBR would look into shorting from where are we going to short? One high mid 40s. Mid 40s to high 40s, actually high 40s. Has a crazy number. You guys know I'm long, right? Not expecting too much out of it. But it's 6% in money. So that was my bonus JFBR. Just took 6,000 shares out, leaving about 3,000 shares in it. Let's see what happens. That's the first thing when I started. There you go, 10%. 10% is here on JFBR. And 10%, it is. 10%, 11% it is. So how many people went long besides Louisa? Louisa is the only one probably followed me, right? Louisa, you did follow me on JFBR long, right?
No, this time I didn't.
I was counting
I
on you.
don't,
Come
I
on.
don't know why. This was the
Hey,
only day. No, I
look at
know.
that. It's 14%. Come on,
Oh,
people.
I I know. It's
14%. Come on. Two for two now. JFBR was this morning. You guys can see exactly what I did right there. There's the chart posted in the room. Two for two. We only took 2 plays. Sony obviously did not follow. I know that. Sony, how you been doing, Sony? Now we've been missing you. Louisa was asking about you yesterday. Where is Sony? Where's Amita? No longs for you, I know that. Yeah, I know, I bet. Is it slowing down? How is it? Is it slowing down? Or they're like, what's the inside stuff? You can tell us. What his federal government looks like. But guys, that was the goal of JFBR, okay? I told you guys we're gonna get to 138. That's what we did. We are all good. Now I'm down to like 300 shares. So all good. Started with 10,000. Oh yeah, still the December thing. I mean September thing, right? They're like, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, another one like take it or be forced out or something. I mean, that's crazy. I don't know. They don't understand the economics of job creation. My goodness. You know, one job creates 5 jobs, and they don't get it. How are they running the country? I don't get it. Para 20, what is it? FRGT? FRGT generally pushes down very quick. So 140, 35%. What has it done in recent? 136 is a number, guys, and then 166 is a number. 136 is a number. Oh no, we're gonna miss it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, FRGT. Go boy, go boy, go boy, go. Get your locates, guys. FRGT, get your locates. Oh, shoot. Come on. Go up. Higher, 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 higher.
Arrow 20.
Higher. Here we go.
Arrow 40.
There you go. 49% FRGT, guys. That's good. Okay, so I am in 160 and I'm in half a size. Cut your size where you can. I'm not in a hurry to cut any sizes. FRGT. I'm going to cut a little size, maybe under. Come on. JTI is another great stock, guys. Cut your size. I just cut my size for 5% gain. Should be making some profit here. JTI, take a look at JTAI. JTAI generally goes up. 640 is a good area, guys. JTI is another fantastic stock that pays us huge. It pays us huge. JTAI, guys, pays us huge. And there is your 9-10% on There's your 12%, guys. 13%, 14% on FRGT. Take it, take it, take it, guys. Take it. Wow. And your JTI paid in simultaneously. JTI also paid. FRGT paid you. I still have 1,900 shares, guys. 1,900 shares. You can see how JTI paid as well. JTI chased it from $6 to $5.20. Coming up, we'll reload it again. FRGT paid you, so 4 for 4 this morning, right? 4 for 4. 4 for 4. 8,800 bucks in money. There's JTI. JTI pays us big. I told you guys. Pays us big. JTI. I'm gonna take JFBR out, and I am gonna put JTAI. Look at that. Oops. JTAI. Bang, 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 bang. 15%. 16% on JTAI. FRGT. Super stuff, guys. Super stuff. I should have reloaded 152 on FRGT. My bad. I was trying to take money out of this one. I still have 1,900 shares left on FRGT, but I don't have too many shares left in JTI. JTI goes in red. FRGT should be good at 155, 160 again. Should be really good. JFBR still going upside. I'm just going to go ahead and close my entire long position on that. I just finished my long position on JFBR, so I can think short. But FRGT, look at that. Oh, wow. Would have made us another 20%, guys. Come on. Go down a little bit more. Fade it, fade it, fade it. So not even one person has typed in if they got JTI, FRGT, JFBR, and there was another one. I don't know what we did. 4 for 4. There you go, Pete. 164, 130. Amazing. How many people got JTI? JTI is one of our favorite, one of our absolute favorite. Somebody's mic is on, so only Pete is trading with me this morning. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. In like 20-minute worth of work, you have gained almost 80%, 70% if you played all 4 tickets. 80% gain. FRGT AKS, nice one. There you go, AKS. All these are China stock, by the way. You guys know that, right? All these are China stock. JTI is about to give us more. No, I guess not. All right, 115 just got crashed on FRGT. JFBR has a little more to go, which is great. Let's do it. I don't have any more size left in JFBR. So chart after chart, guys. I'll post my chart on FRGT. Half a size, but it's still a great play, guys.
JTAI.
Now it says I have an average of 130 on JTI. Are you kidding me? I mean, not JTI, FRGT. FRGT had a 155 average. But I'm down to 200 shares and it says I have an average of stupid 130. I don't know. TradeZero gets screwed up. But I made 20% on it. I can tell you that. I'd love a pop. JFBR looks like a short, right in 140s, but hasn't made it. But you guys want to take it? This is the place to take it. This is the place to take it. JTI, I'm chasing 540. Let's see if it comes. It's just a smaller size, so not worried about it too much right now. Goes to 480 and below, I'll take it. There you go. 480, guys. 480 down to 500 shares. Wow. Chased 525 to 480 on JTI. Look at AKS. Wow. Nice one. Chased and made money. Awesome stuff. AKS. Guys, you sat out. That's fine. But you got to cheer for your teammates here. Look at what happened to JFBR. Oh my God. I said the very first look at it, and I told you guys it's going to get there. It is there. 145. Now it's the time for one more parabolic. Hopefully it doesn't have a game. I built my first position on JFBR. I literally have nothing left in FRGT. I have 500 shares left in JTI. Oh yeah, JTI is going in red. JTI has a look of going in red. I could have made so much more money on JFBR long. So they currently are interested at 1 million volume right now.
FBI has a news. They announced sales of its smart repair pro business for
11.8
million.
million. Yep, saw that. Thank you. What is the market cap for JFBR?
Even this FRGT has a pretty good million. News on that.
FRGT is down at 114, boys.
I know, so surprising.
Just covered 112 here. Wow, this is 8. JFBR. Wow, look at FRGT going in red. And so is JTI. Told you both are going in red. Both are going in red. Look at JTI. 500 shares. Wow. JFBR, balance your size, guys. Right now, add and cut your size. It is not looking that good. Add and cut your sizes. It is letting you add and cut your sizes. If you got in from 148, added 161. Ooh, 174. Still breaking out the million volume here. Guys, go full throttle if you can get an average of 174. I've got my average to 169, 193 stop. 169 is my current average. I have just a little more size. So now I am 172, 193 stop. I need a drop here so I can cut 172. Nice drop. Nice drop. That's what I needed, guys. Nice drop on JFBR. In fact, you know what? I'll add 184 now and still stop out at 193. I was able to cut my size very nicely. Now keeping only 30% in. Big drop, come on, get it to 160. Come on, you can do it. Having a solid morning, guys. Solid morning. Look at where those JTI FBR are. Solid morning, guys. If I can get paid from JFBR one more time right at 154, that would be awesome. But look at RGT is in red, almost in red, almost. You could chase that and you could make that money. I think we're gonna get JFBR all the way down to 154. 154. 154. Come on, baby. Come on, 154. Look at this, 98 cents FRGT and in red. I was the first one to tell you it was going in red. So is JTI. Not yet done with JFBR, but add at 184. I will make my average better on JFBR. Come on. Go 154. Come on. So JFBR long, we were long, remember, wow, one of those things, man. Come on, get it to 154 here. I have good 13,000 shares is still existing on JFBR. It's like 30% size, 33% size. 172 average. It's right at my average. I needed 155, 154. It's going to come down. It's going to come down. Last time it failed big time from 190s, guys. Big time fail. It got crushed all the way to $1. Who has the best average right now in JFBR? I have 172.
It's too high. I did not take it.
170 for Lynn. Let's get at 152, 154. That's what we need. 173, Pete. Awesome work. 193 is our stop for pre-market, but we're not looking at a stop. I think we're going to get a win, a solid win. $164 here. Let's go, keep going down. Oh, come on. That's a BS. $164, that's all. Come on. Cannot hold it over RSI over here. You got to go halfway down, which is halfway down is at 50, 54. And by the time it's 54, this thing would be at 157. We want to be staying perfect. Come on. Jesus, not making us stay perfect here. Keep it tight, guys. Get your average to 178. You're going to give him 15 cents. You're going to give him less than 8%. And try it only half a size. It's too far at 1 or 2%. Right now, profit is near 156, 154. That's what the profit is. Oh boy. Seriously, dude? Seriously? Seriously? Now it's threading into a dangerous area. Raise my average to 177. I will cut it again if it drops. And it is 177. It is 177, guys. Average to 177, so that's good. It's been add and cut. That was the goal, is to make your average to 177, 178 at this point. Let's get it down to 162 now. 162 and 154. Those are going to be the two cuts. 32 million volume. Staying above the RSI, not a really good thing. But that also is the best chance to make money. Guys, you can take some profit if you gave them few cents. Just take profit and keep it balanced. Keep it 30% size. I'm back at 12,800 shares, 13,000 shares, average 177. Staying put, see if I can get 162. That's what I'm looking at. So I've raised my average to 177. And it's still only 12,800 shares, like I said. Been able to cut and add. I actually ended up taking almost 6 cents out of them. Come on down, baby, come on. So initially we started with the long, remember that, okay? So we went long at 120. Now let's go get 162 area. Let's get it. Come on. 170, 168. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. 164, guys. 164. Here we go.
Parrot 20.
Bang. We got it, guys. We got it.
Parrot 40.
162 here. We got it. Nice one, guys. 162. Wow. This is a nice pre-market, guys. Very nice pre-market. Wow. I still have 4,800 shares left. Nice one. Still 4,800 shares left. So 5 this morning. What a solid morning, guys. What a solid morning. Let's get 154. 152 actually. Let's get it. 152. 154. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful morning, guys. That is amazing. 5 for 5 or 6 for 6. I don't know. In half 45 minutes. 15K. Wow. Nice. Probably will end up finishing 35, 40K for the day, I think. Where is my live? People are still connected. That's TikTok. It's TikTok. Where is the live? Okay, here we go. Guys, now it's nearing 9 o'clock, so I won't take any more plays. SAJT is a very good one. I shorted this yesterday. SAJT. SAJT, I shorted this yesterday, guys, and it failed and failed and failed. Big time fail. You want to chase it? You can. Actually, you can chase this thing. It fails big. SAJT. I shorted this yesterday. SAJT fails big time, and it is. Since the time I said it was 620, now it's at 540, 550. Now it's back at 570, 580. I will build up in a little bit how to recap from yesterday's stuff. I think you guys can watch the video. It's posted on all the medias. I did that at 9 o'clock yesterday. So guys, please like, share, follow us back. There is 160 on JFBR. FRGT was super good. There's 158. There's 158 on JFBR. Generally, they bounce right at 158 if they go to 180. Oh, and look at that. It just bounced. The minute I said that, it bounced. Guys, stop out at 180, all right? Stop out at 180. If it does 180, get stopped out. Look at what happened to SAJT, guys. SAJT. SAJT, guys. I chased it. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. 28% after a chase, guys. 29% on SAJT after a chase. It was a smaller size. 2,800 shares, but wow. I didn't even take a cut till like 24%. I think I will leave JFBR. JFBR. I would go ahead and close it for now. It's pre-market. Let's go ahead and close it. All out. JFBR, all done. But look at what happened to SAJT. Look at what happened to SAJT, guys. 22%. 2,800 shares ended up making almost $4,000. $4,000. This is just a pre-market. Wow. This is just a pre-market, guys. Even 2,800 shares is paying $4,000. $4,000. 2,800 shares on SAJT. I still have 400 left. That's a $2 drop, guys, from 6 to 420. $6 drop. I mean, sorry, $2 drop. JTI almost in red, almost. I'm out of JFBR, guys. All right, letting you know. Like I said, I still have 500 shares in JTAI. I'm going to go ahead and take 250 out at 425. And it just did. 425. Wow. So JTAI, remember, I had reloaded at 530 area, 520 area. Thank you, Pete. Look at that. JTI, I told you guys, will go in red. I am out of JFBR, but boy, we started JFBR long, okay? Let me show you how we started long. We started long, we ended up short. Look at this, JFBR. Started long. People should not have any doubt. All you can do is just go back and watch from the morning. We were long. We turned short. You make almost 15% in long and 15% in short. And you bail out. JTI, you make 20% and then you make another 20%. Wow. Guys, in half an hour, if you took all your trades, like 6 trades, 6 wins, you would have had almost 140% gain without even really doing much. But that's normal, guys. This is normal for this room, okay? You can see our members. So guys, who made money on JFBR short? You guys haven't put it yet. Norb, how you doing over there? I know David doesn't take trades in the morning. It should be a full stuff. Wesley, how you doing? Steve, Wesley, how's pre-market? Should be pretty exciting, people. Come on. Should be very exciting. I told you JTI is going red, right? I have told you that. JTAI is going red. Is going red. And is it not? Is it not? JTAI is at 3%. At 3%, guys. Norb, only play was, wow, man, you're missing plays after plays. You better set up your screens. You're going to need it. You know, you're going to need it. You're gonna need 2-3 screens, which I've told you guys. You cannot trade on one screen and expect to get all this like what I just did. 6 trades, 140%. Most of them short. Of course, you can chase JTI and it's still going in red. You're gonna make another 7% on JTI. But well done, Norv. Well done. How many plays did you take AKS? Great pre-market. Don't usually chase, but I chase SAJ. SAJT, we just did that yesterday. I'll show you my chart from yesterday, guys. Let's recap. It's 9:03, right? Let me recap. Yesterday was a massive 19 wins and 1 loss. 19 wins. 19 wins, guys. Trading charts. Here we go. What? Downloads. View.
Power 20.
Medium icons. Oops, not medium. Large icons. Okay, here we go. Trader charts. Okay, April 29th, right? Yep. All right, here we're gonna go right now. So let me get to SGAT yesterday itself. There you go. Look what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday? This is Tuesday, April 29th. Look what happened. And now take a look on SGAT right now. So let's go this right here. And we're going to put SGAT. Oh, SAJT. SAJGT right here. Any difference, guys? Yesterday I happened to catch it here. Today I happened to catch it here. Look at that. 18%. I mean, 20% was my first cut, bar none. 2,800 shares. So, wow. That's back-to-back 2 days, 20% plus. That's 40% in 2 minutes on SAJT, back-to-back, right? Look at that. That is from yesterday. That is from yesterday. Right there. Where did we take a profit? Wow. Look at that. And when I talk about it, this is the 14%. You add this, it's over 20%. What did I say? JTI is going red. Did I say JTI is going red, guys? It is in red. 3% in red. You chase 410, you would have made 10%. You would have made 10% right there. It was going in red. I have 250 shares, so I'm going to take, let's go 82 right here. Just got hit with the 80. Wow. SAJT still dropping, and it is, that one is going in red as well. That one, I still have 400 shares. I'll wait for it. So look at that, JTI. Okay, so we were enough for the morning. 19. How much did you guys see it? Just made about $100 more. Just made about $100 more, guys, because I only have like 400 shares left, 300 shares left. So I don't think I'm gonna cross 20. I might, who knows? I might cross 20 in pre-market. Anyway, so recap, right? Recap. Let's go. Recap. Let's start with the recap. And I'll show you only loss I had was yesterday. So ABVE. By the way, where is ABVE? ABVE. It's a 132, went to 147, but it was in the market early. Never mind. I was not around at 7. Short, made you 10%, made you 8%, 18% done, right? ABVE. HIMS shorted at 38.50. Sold it at around 37 size cut because I added it quite a bit. So cut the sizes. Then this is the profit, 10%. HIMS, IBIO, huge profit, 20%. Add, size cut, profits are right here. Okay, profits are right here. This is a size cut. I'm just letting you know. When you add this, you cut the size, okay, to balance your sizes, guys, okay? I forget what the camera is. So I look it up over there. Anyway, so 20%, keep grinding it. Comes up, you take it again. So this is, look at this. The last one itself was 32%, but this is like 20%. And this is around 20%. So you got about 35% over there, which is, a little more than 35. But anyway, IBIO, recap for you. LFMD, short, made about 10%. Short, made about, 8% or something like that. And this was a bailout for 3-4% toward the end. It was almost, nearing 5 o'clock. I'm like, hell with it. I'm just leaving it. So worked out pretty good. This was 840 entry and 890 was the cover. Okay. 790 was the cover. So that was, so overall 18%. Easy. You're not going to see losses, guys. OMEX, like I said, we are holding long, right? We are long again. Have not filled it. It's at 145 right now. 144. 140 now. OMEX, today is going to be day 4. If I get an entry at 120, I'm still going long. Still going long. 3 days in a row, been long. And we have made over 200% in 3 days, that is. Yesterday, we made another 24%. Selling it at 162. So we do go long. We just pick and choose. This was the only one where I lost. So take a look. You get 10%. You get, more than 10%. More than 10%. This is 10% out and out. When you add, and actually your average was right around 320 something, and it drops to 290, you immediately make about 12%. So you're already in money at this point. Okay, this was add and size cut, whatever balance. So again, it's in profit, but you don't count that as a money. So you add again, you size cut, but now here's the loss. So this was an average, like around 348 was my average. And I stopped out at 374. You won't see this, but right there, there's the hidden stop out. But we go back immediately. Within no time, we go back in at 70, make my average at 72, make money at 345, then make real money at 340 and under, then come back at 360. This was a small size, only 2,600 shares, but still it paid. But then this one was a better size, right here. Even this was the only stop loss in entire day yesterday. Only stop loss. This right here. And we came back strong. 1 win, 2 win, and half win. Okay? So you ended up making 60% even after, despite the loss. But you have to stick with me. You have to stick with me. 3 times before, 3.5 times before, and then 2.5 times after. So you're looking at, this should be 6, not 7. Okay. 7 position, 1 stop loss, 6 wins. Told you about SAGT. I added at the high, added more at the drop. That just pays, whatever, right? ULY was patient throughout, just didn't do much. Had an 1140 average, something like that. Sold it at 1020, was good enough. WLDS is a fader. So today is a stock. Which one is fader, guys? IVF is a fader. Yesterday was WLDS. IVF, when market opens, it will fade. Nice one, 10%. Then chase it even more and make another 10%. Wolf was overnight long, so that's overnight. FSLR did an earning. Remember, my target was 120 here. You can see FSLR is where it is. It's at 118, 119. So next target, probably I would have to hold it maybe midday, something like that, 112. I'm short. This is an earnings play. Holding it. So earning hasn't really like been exciting so far, but haven't had any losses. Bailed out of one from yesterday, kind of flipped on me pretty quick, and then it came down. Starbucks, I think. Starbucks, I misread the Starbucks. Snap, look at that. Snap, we actually sold it. Snap, we were long from $8, so we sold it, and then bailed out at $9. Still made money, then went short and made 12% on the downside. You can see the conversation in the room, guys. This is the one that I was telling you about. So misread it, went long at 81, and then whatever. It actually gave me about 2%, but that I misread it. I was long throughout. I misread this, but did lose anything. So far the earnings season hasn't been that exciting. We haven't done so well just yet. And that was that. And you guys want to join in, this is what you should do. Head over to HammerXTraders.com. Sign up. It's actually, least you can do is like give us a trial, right? It's a 5-day free trial. If you go on the website, let me show you. Just go in there on the website. Try our system. See what we can do. So as soon as you land on the page, you're going to see this. Fill out this form. There's no credit card or anything. Come in, check us out, talk to us, talk to me, talk to our people, our team members. We actually pull for each other, really pull for each other. Make sure that everybody's profitable by the end of the day. Unlike any other room, we know everybody by name, and we know, what we do. We've been together for a long time, but a very small room, but we pull for each other and make sure it's a point that if somebody's like losing, we got to get it corrected. With a 93% win rate, you should not be losing. We'll fill out this form. Check it out how it happens. You probably, if you get in the room, you probably end up signing within 2 days. I can tell you that. But anyway, HammerXTrader.com. Up to you guys. You want to make money? Come over. You want to keep guessing? Keep guessing. Who cares, man? I don't care. I'm there to help people who need help. People who don't need help. Whatever, right? Each to their own. Anyway, head over. If not, I'm here every morning, 8 to 9. I'm done for the day. It's 9:16. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to have a really nice glass of water. I usually drink water in the morning. I don't do coffee for some reason. Anyway, nice seeing you guys again. It's been a pretty good 45 minutes. I will see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, head over to HammerX